What are TikTok Shop business growth tools? TikTok Shop business growth tools are specialized platforms and features designed to help sellers scale their online stores, improve performance, and increase profitability on TikTok's e-commerce platform. These tools focus on automating marketing, analyzing sales data, tracking trends, and optimizing listings, allowing sellers to grow strategically while saving time. The main goal is to turn social engagement into consistent business growth. Key growth tools include TikTok Ads Manager, Creator Marketplace, and analytics platforms that monitor product performance, audience behavior, and sales trends. Sellers use these tools to run targeted campaigns, collaborate with influencers, and measure engagement. By pairing these insights with Helium 10, sellers can analyze product demand, track conversion metrics, and identify high-growth opportunities for long-term success. Many top-performing TikTok Shop sellers use Helium 10 alongside TikTok's native tools to refine their growth strategies. With Helium 10's keyword tracking, profitability reports, and product research features, sellers can identify what's trending, optimize campaigns, and scale their stores with confidence. This combination ensures both creativity and data precision in every business decision. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to growth-focused tools that help you analyze, plan, and scale your TikTok Shop business effectively and confidently.